California. So this is the third dressing. This is my favorite dressing called carrot dressing. This is very unique compared to any other dressing in United States. So now I'm going to grate carrot and yellow onion. You can do white onion too, and mix with vinegar and soy sauce and olive oil. It just makes it easy to grate. Just a little bit of punch. Okay, onion is ready. Let's cut this in quarter. And again, using patience of moving meditation, we're gonna grate until you make a grated carrot of half cup. So now it's about half cup. It's very airy and fluffy. And now we need 2 tablespoons of grated onion. And this is a very unique thing too. Okay. And from here, it's pretty simple. You're gonna add rice vinegar, soy sauce, all of them, and mix together. And you can use apple cider vinegar instead of rice vinegar if you like sweet. I like savory and salty, so I use rice vinegar and I don't use much of sugar. And now we're just gonna add olive oil, but it's not a lot of olive oil, and you don't need to focus on emulsifying again. So my favorite vinaigrette from today is carrot vinaigrette. It has a lot of carrot and onion, rather a lot of oil. So you're not eating anything too heavy, and also the color of the orange gives you really good appetite. And now, just because I like this carrot dressing, I think I should try it on it. But you can use any kind of dressing from today's variation. So basic Wafū dressing or shiso will work really well. And wasabi and ginger, all of them works really well with this salad. It really does remind me of Japan, because this dressing is quite all over in any Japanese cafe in a city, and it's nothing special for Japanese. But once you're outside of Japan, you don't see this dressing, so that gives me nostalgic memory of Japan.